$40,000 a year. And that's the reason the law exists, because they want their money, isn't it?
That certainly has a lot to do with it.
So, Loki boy, if he comes up with his money, there's nothing Bank of America can do? I mean, what if Bank of America says, we own it, we're going to sell it?
Well, actually, Bank of America can file what's called an ejection action, an ejectment action, which is very similar to an eviction. And if they can prove they're the rightful owner and get a court to agree with them, even if he's paying the taxes, they can have him put out.
Well, then, if that's the case, I thought the law was protecting him.
Well, the law will protect him from being thrown out without the real owner interceding. But once the real owner comes during that 7-year period, they can have him thrown out. What happens often is the real owner never comes back, or the bank forgets they own it.
Yeah, you know, knowing Florida real estate and, you know, Boca and the Palm Beaches, what happened over the last 10 years or so, I'd be somewhat surprised if the big red bank can prove any dang thing.
Well, that's certainly going to be a concern when they do file that action.
I hope Loki boy gets to keep the house, don't you? Bank of America doesn't need a house.
Well, I'll tell you, you got to give them a lot of points for style. If you're going to go and live in a house, you might as well live in one like this.
You bet. I'm telling the homeless guy on the corner at my apartment building in Manhattan, where it's like 20 degrees today, get to Boca, man. Here's a bus ticket. There are a lot of houses that are empty in that Boca, aren't there?
There sure are.
Yep. All right, dude. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. A man accused of dragging